as large extended families, providing members with support in areas such as conflict resolution, marriage, and social obligations. Marrying outside of one's clan is a crucial tradition, as inter-clan marriages help strengthen alliances and ensure genetic diversity within the community. Clans are much more than just family units. They function as a form of governance. In the absence of formal political institutions, the Hmong rely on the leadership of clan elders to guide decision-making and mediate disputes. This structure also extends to spiritual and cultural life, as clan affiliations dictate certain rituals and obligations, such as funeral practices or shamanic duties. Despite migration and modernization, the clan system remains central to Hmong identity. Fact number 3. Centuries of persecution led the Hmong to migrate to remote mountains in Southeast Asia. The Hmong were often viewed as rebellious due to their refusal to fully assimilate into Han Chinese culture and their resistance to Chinese rule. Over time, this led to harsh measures by Chinese authorities, including forced labor, land confiscation, and military campaigns aimed at controlling Hmong communities. These struggles were intensified by cultural differences and the Hmong's strong desire to maintain autonomy over their territories and traditions. By the 18th and 19th centuries, many Hmong began migrating southward into the mountainous regions of Laos, Thailand, Vietnam, and Myanmar to escape these conflicts. This migration was often difficult, as it involved traversing harsh terrains and settling in new lands that presented their own challenges. However, the Hmong found relative freedom in these new areas, where they could continue practicing their cultural and agricultural traditions without direct interference. Fact number 4. The Hmong excelled at slash-and-burn farming, surviving in rugged terrains. The Hmong have traditionally been subsistence farmers, living in remote, mountainous regions where they practiced a form of agriculture suited to their environment. They are particularly known for their use of slash-and-burn farming, which involves clearing small areas of forest to grow crops like rice, corn, and vegetables. This method, while labor-intensive, allowed the Hmong to grow enough food to sustain their families in areas where more conventional farming techniques were impractical due to steep slopes and poor soil quality. In addition to crop farming, the Hmong raised livestock including pigs, chickens, and cattle, which played an important role in their diet and cultural practices. The rugged landscapes of Laos, Thailand, and Vietnam were ideal for this semi-nomadic agricultural lifestyle, which required a deep understanding of the environment and seasonal cycles. Over generations, the Hmong developed farming techniques that were both sustainable and efficient, making them skilled cultivators in challenging terrain. Fact number 5. Hmong hunters track small game by moonlight, relying on skill, silence, and instinct. In Hmong culture, night hunting is a time-honored tradition that serves both practical and social purposes. Typically targeting small game such as birds, rodents, or wild boar, hunters venture into the dense forests at night, relying on their knowledge of the land and keen senses to guide them. Hunting at night presents unique challenges, as the darkness and quiet of the forest require exceptional patience and precision. Moonlight